Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to drop fruits and block fruits. So let's get started. First, you have to ensure you have the fruit you're ready to part with in your inventory. Click on fruit to select it, then give it a gentle right click. This summons a menu of options where you'll find the options like eat, drop, and store. Tap on drop and it will drop from your inventory. You'll see it on the ground, as well as other players. It's a method when you want to share it to other players. And there you go, fast and easy. That's how you drop fruits and block fruits. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.